Hello guys and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be going over how to fix the Fortnite error code ESP-BUIMET-003 and error occurred while connecting to Epic servers. And let's get straight into it. So the first thing you guys are going to do is you want to look for Epic Games Launcher on your desktop, and basically what you want to do is you want to go ahead and right click on it and you want to click on properties. Now, from here, you're going to go over to the compatibility tab and you're going to click on run this program in compatibility mode for Windows 8. And you're also going to check the run this program as an administrator. Once you go ahead and do those two things, you can go ahead and hit apply and then hit OK. Once you do that, you can now open up Epic Games Launcher and then open up Fortnite through this way, and you will notice that the error code is gone. And another thing I do recommend doing is obviously restarting your PC, because that always does seem to help, and a lot of people undermine that. And yeah, but once you do all those things, you should be good to go and you're all set. So yeah, that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.